Welcome to Edutainment Spoken English and Smart Classes. Learn English swiftly. As you're watching Converse and Connect Express with our global educator and edutainment stars. I'm Yashul Sood.
Hello, I'm Melissa Esposito from Italy.
I'm Darius.
I am Deepa.
I'm Yashmi. I'm Lakia. I'm Yashmit.
I am Devanshi.
I'm Meena.
In today's program, we will be finding out about the geometry. As you are watching SCC broadcast, it's time for a conversation. Divyanshi ma'am, you can ask the first question.
What is the sum of all interior angles in a triangle, dear ma'am?
Perfect. The sum of all interior angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. This fundamental property of triangles is derived from the fact that when you draw a line parallel to the one side of the triangle, it creates alternate interior angles, and the sum of these angles is equal to a straight line, which measures 180 degrees.
The next question, Deepa ma'am will speak.
Deepa, respect, ma'am.
Yes, a right angle is an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. It forms the corner of a square and is a crucial element in the geometry of right angle triangles. In practical terms, a right angle resembles the corner of a book or the meeting point of two perpendicular lines.
Alekia ma'am, you can speak in the position of third.
If two angles are complementary, what is the sum of their measures, Honorable Ma'am?
Yes, complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. When two angles are complementary, they combine to form a right angle. This relationship is integral in various geometric problems and often involves angles like those found in the intersection of perpendicular lines or within a right angle triangle.
Dharya, you can speak in the position of fourth.
What is the relationship between the opposite angles formed by two intersecting lines, respected ma'am?
Okay, opposite angles formed by intersecting lines are equal or congruent. When a pair of straight lines intersect, they create opposite angles that share the same measure. This geometric property is known as the vertical angles theorem and is a result of the angle being formed by the same pair of intersecting lines.
Meena ma'am, you can speak now.
Collinear points that lie on the same straight line. In the context of the polygon, collinear points could refer to points that, when connected, form one of the sides. Non-collinear points that do not lie on the same straight line. In the definition of a polygon, non-collinear points are connected to form the side of the polygon. Quadrilateral. A polygon with four sides. In geometry, a quadrilateral can take various forms, including rectangles, squares, parallelograms, and rhombi. Polygons. Closed geometry figure with straight sides. Polygons include shapes like triangle, square, pentagons, and other figure formed by connecting points with the line segment. Interior angles. Angles formed inside a polygon. The measure of interior angles depends on the number of sides in the polygon and can be calculated using the formula n minus 2 multiply 180 degrees, where n is number of sides.
Yeah,
Yashmeet, I believe you are left for the question, right?
ma'am, yes, ma'am, fifth.
Yeah, Yashmeet, you can ask the question.
Question asked. Could you explain what a polygon is, dear ma'am?
Okay, a polygon is a closed geometric figure with straight sides. It's formed by connecting non-collinear points with line segments. And the last point connects back to the first, creating a closed shape. Polygons can be classified by the number of sides they have, with common examples including triangles, 3 sides, quadrilaterals, 4 sides, pentagons, 5 sides, and so on. The interior angles of a polygon can be calculated using the formula n minus 2 multiplied 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, guys. Thank you,
A big
girls.
hand for ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
To you. Thank you a lot, dears. Very
A
nice.
big hand for ma'am.
Thank you. Great.
And that's the end of our program. Don't forget to join for the useful vocabularies, sentences, phrases, and knowledgeable from our intellectual global educators and edutainment stars. Learn English swiftly.
For the last 10 years, TEDx speaker Dr. Madhvi Borsi Sinch Insa has been educating students. In the contemporary era, children used to entertain themselves with movie songs, but students under her are interested in learning, singing, and rapping educational songs. She has presented education in the best form, where anyone can do their studies happily without any stress. Her method of teaching is effective. According to the outcome, adults and senior citizens are also taking an interest in studies.